Hi, my name is Kiri, and I have been in Michelle's coaching program now for a couple of months. Before that, I actually invested in real estate, which I always thought was a safer investment. I was always hesitant to get into market trading. I always kind of thought of it as like gambling. But then I stumbled upon Michelle's coaching program, and I started learning all about market trading, and I got really excited. And the way that Michelle coaches, she makes you feel comfortable with investing in the market by reducing your risk and increasing your return on investment. And now I realize that investing in the market can actually be really profitable as long as you follow the guidelines and the rules that Michelle teaches you. So I'm so excited to start investing in the market. I feel comforted knowing that I've got Michelle by my side, making sure that I'm making the right choices, making sure that I'm reducing my risk. I have learned so much with her program and her videos, and her videos are like something that you could watch over and over and over again and still continue to find bits and pieces of information that you find valuable. She's got so many golden nuggets in her videos. So I would highly recommend this coaching program.